Hey there, future mining moguls. Are you tired of not seeing the profits you hope for from your mining rig? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how you can maximize your mining profits in 2025. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing secret strategies that most miners don't want you to know. Let's get started. Before we dive into the profit maximizing techniques, let's quickly brush up on how crypto mining works. Essentially, mining is the process of verifying transactions on the blockchain and getting rewarded with digital currencies. But what if there's a way to make this process work harder for you? Well, there is. First things first, pick the right coin to mine. The profitability of mining can vary drastically depending on which coin you mine. Bitcoin is the big player, but it's also harder to mine due to the competition. Ethereum, while still profitable, has its own nuances. And then we have the altcoins. Here's the trick. Focus on coins that have lower difficulty but higher returns in your region. Check mining profitability calculators and do your research before deciding. Now let's talk hardware. If your setup isn't optimized, you're losing money. You need to use high-efficiency mining rigs that balance power and cost. Look for mining GPUs or ASICs that offer the best hash rate to power consumption ratio. Remember, more hash power doesn't always mean more profit. It's all about efficiency. Overclocking your mining rigs can give a performance boost, but watch out for heat issues. Here's the real secret. The cost of electricity is what's eating into your profits the most. You might be paying more than you should. The solution? Find cheap or renewable energy sources. Some miners even switch to solar power. But don't forget to check your local energy tariffs or consider joining mining pools that optimize for cheaper power consumption. This can cut your overhead and skyrocket your profits. Solo mining might sound appealing, but unless you have extreme hash power, it's a long shot for consistent payouts. Instead, joining a mining pool is a safer bet. By pooling your resources, you get regular payouts and the risk is spread out. But be mindful of pool fees. They can eat into your profits, so find one that strikes a good balance. Timing is everything, not just for mining, but also for selling your coins. The market fluctuates, and so do mining rewards. If you're mining Bitcoin, don't just sell it at any random time. Monitor the market trends and cash out when prices are high. You can also use automated systems to sell your mined coins at peak prices. Being in the right place at the right time can boost your profits significantly. There are several apps and websites you can use to track mining profitability. Tools like Whatamine and NiceHash give you real-time data on how profitable your mining setup is with various coins. Keep track of your earnings, hash rate, and costs so you can optimize your mining strategy accordingly. For those of you who want to take things to the next level, automation is key. You can use bots to auto-sell your coins at high prices or even automate your mining rigs for better efficiency. This might take a bit of technical know-how, but it's worth it to ensure you're making the most profit with minimal manual effort. To sum it up, maximize your mining profits by choosing the right coins, optimizing your rigs, cutting down on energy costs, and utilizing mining pools. Keep track of your profitability and use automation to make your mining even smarter. If you follow these strategies, you'll be on your way to becoming a mining pro in no time. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on mining, crypto, and how to turn your tech hobby into a profitable business. And don't forget to comment below with your mining questions. We love helping out fellow miners.